Hello.
Hello.
Hi, David. Good evening again.
Hi, good evening.
All right, how are you doing?
So far so good.
So far, so good. And was it a good Thursday for you?
You mean, yeah,
Uh
actually,
huh.
why we say so far so good? Because that mean some of challenge you can safety to results. Yeah, so that's we call the so far so good. Yeah.
Ah, all right. That's why it's so far so good. All right. So did you have a busy day at work or no?
I think today is the not busy than Wednesday. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because almost the information we already catch up and
Mm-hmm.
we already doing the some job the progress. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why
All right.
not busy than yesterday. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But still of busy. Yeah. When you are manager staying in around, you must need to say you are busy. Yeah.
Ah, all right. That's good. It's nice to know something about that one, David. Now, what about weekend? Tomorrow is already the weekend. Do you have any plans for Saturday and Sunday?
Oh, that's very good question. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
because
Why?
the this weekend,
Uh-huh.
actually, I have one apartment event for cycling. But actually, the we saw that the weather forecast
Mm-hmm.
this weekend, the weather maybe will not unstable.
Ah, all right.
So that's why currently I'm also just worrying about if the get raining, maybe the event need to cancel that.
Ah, okay. Because also here in the right now, I think typhoon is really coming. I'm not sure what is the name of the typhoon, but it's been raining for the whole day and it just stopped just tonight before we started our class. So probably it's
Mm-hmm.
also the same thing in Taiwan.
Uh, we don't have the typhoon, but we have the. Hold on, let me find the keyword
Uh-huh.
by weather using okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. You found the word?
Yeah, I tried to find the word.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
but I found another. Oh shoot! I don't think. One question. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Uh, um, Usually, okay, the the heat air and the cold air.
Mm-hmm.
I mean the airflow. Okay, yeah. The heat airflow and the heat and the cold airflow when
Mm-hmm.
they touch, then then sometimes will get raining. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know how to explain the heat and the cold, the airflow when they touch. This kind of phenomenon, how to say by English.
Um,
So I just try to find the word for this kind. Yeah.
when the heat and the cold mixes together.
Yes.
Wait, let me think about it because I'm not really familiar and I forgot about the terms in science. So
Oh.
I'm not pretty sure if I can.
Could
Wait.
you try? Could you try to type the few similar the mean the word? Then maybe I can try to figure out that.
Yes, I'm trying to look for the word in my dictionary right now. I'll try to
Yes.
because right now I cannot think of a word wherein the cold and the hot mixes together, the cold and hot weather mixes together. But in my case, David, it's just scientifically talking, it's more like
Science.
evaporation. That's what I know from my class. But I'm not really sure if that is the word that you're looking for.
Yeah, okay. Hold on, let me also try it. I just want to find the oh god damn.
Why?
Let me try. I maybe get some key bars. Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think my dictionary say the this kind of situation. Maybe you can say the
Mm-hmm.
uh uh a frontal sur- surface. Oh my god.
Oh, that's quite
Here,
difficult.
right? Can you hear?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I could hear it, but
It's
the
talking about that. Yeah,
frontal surface.
frontal surface. Yeah.
That's quite
Frontal surface may frontal surface maybe is mean the first wave touch. Yeah.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, such as we're talking about the heat and clean the airflow when they just in the frontal surface touch,
Mm-hmm.
then then this area the weather will be quite unstable and sometimes will get rainy. Yep.
Yeah. All right, so
That's
frontal.
what I want to say. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you for sharing something about that word, David. It's actually not my first time to hear it, but it's my first time to hear it again.
Mm,
So, yes, thank you for sharing that word. All right, so right now you're just having what you call a frontal surface.
frontal surface. Yeah.
Okay. Well, hopefully this that kind of incident won't take too long, and hopefully it will be a good weather for the rest of the month, or even before the month end.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
All right.
could
Okay.
be. Yeah, I saw that the weather will be quite different and will stable in until Tuesday p.m. So that means the weekend is gone. Yeah. So yeah, you
Uh-huh.
sometimes you maybe will the situation and will get the bad unstable
Uh-huh.
the unstable weather the weekend. Yeah, that's what I want to say. So I'm just worrying about this kind the weather happen. Okay, so that's why right now I'm just think about backup plan. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So if the outdoors event cannot achieve, maybe we need to find the backup the solution. Yeah, such as such as maybe one sleeping
Mm-hmm. So,
and yeah,
uh-huh.
sorry, not sleeping. First, such as the one going to play movie.
Play movie.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Just play movie. I mean, in the weekend, maybe you and your boyfriend you will the play movie in the in. Hold on.
Uh-huh.
Uh, one question. Okay.
Okay.
Um, the the public the building
Mm-hmm.
then they will uh play just a play movie. Yeah, how to say this kind of building?
Just plain movie.
Yes, many people in will be in there. Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
see what word.
Hold on.
Okay. Uh-huh. I'm not really
I
clear
think
with what
maybe
you mean there,
you
David.
yeah I know that I may be confusing you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we need to say this is a moving house,
Movie house.
or we can say this is this is for what? This is that. Oh, cinema.
Cinema house or movie house.
Yeah, cinema house or movie house. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the backup plan, just we can go into arrange the
Watch
movie play in the cinema. Yeah.
All right. So
The second one, yes, go ahead.
you said, David, that if the weather becomes bad, you're just going to watch movie, right?
Yes, watch a movie. Yeah, not play movie, watch movie. You're right.
Watch movie at the cinema or just at home?
Cinema. Yeah.
At the cinema.
Yeah, because the cinema they have the latest the movie, right?
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what movie are you planning to watch?
For me, science, okay, or the space, or the very famous the boy art such as Tom Cruise, okay, this kind of guy they art the movie, yeah.
What about your kids? Do they like those kind of movies?
I don't care the children like go that, okay.
So you will watch it on your own or without your family?
I think the going to the seminar should be just my and my wife. Okay, I think the for the children, it may be the play TV game in the home in the weekend. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So just you
If
and
the
your
weather,
wife.
yeah, if the weather not unstable, yeah, maybe we need to try. Yeah. Of course, the actually I don't think the my child he can he can very very stably to sit in cinema about 2 hours. I think that's very good big challenge for them. Yeah.
Yes, because they usually have very short attention.
Yeah, you're right. So I remember I first bring them to the cinema, and after 10 minutes, my daughter just say, "Hey, I want to go into toilet." I say, "Okay, okay, careful, okay, because the light, yeah, is closed there, so you need to get more uh, more what how to say sorry more carefully, yeah. And after the 5 minutes, my daughter not come back yet. My boy will say, "Hey, Dad, I think the sister is is going for other event. Let me try to find her." Then two guys, they will and the two childrens, they are gone. Okay, yeah, because they playing in the outside. Yeah.
All right. But good thing nothing happened to them or they weren't lost.
Yeah.
All right.
Because in the usually in the Taiwan, the cinema will be in the shopping mall. Okay.
Yeah.
So sometimes if the cinema, I mean the array of the array out of the cinema usually will be such as the TV game, the TV game show, or such as like the um, fast food array for McDonald's or the Kentucky Fried Chicken. So sometimes he will take the money and they were going to enjoying their fried chicken. Yeah. If they don't interesting to watch the movie. Yeah.
All right. So it's either they just want to go out for to I'm sorry, they will just go out to eat some food instead
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
or play, right?
Yeah.
But
But if they don't back after the 20 minutes, maybe my wife will also going to the outdoor.
And she will not go back to the movie house, the movie theater?
Usually will not.
So it seems, David, that you are the only one left to watch the movie.
Yeah. So that's why I said,
Mm-hmm.
watch movie maybe just me and my wife. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I think that's enough. Yeah. Otherwise, to bring the child to see the movie, at last, if the movie is the cartoon, yeah, uh, cartoon.
So,
Sorry, what is cartoon? You know?
yeah,
Uh,
cartoon,
co-
anime, or.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
anime. Yes, yeah.
So,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
so for example, David, if you watch a movie that is in cartoon or animated movie, your kids will usually stay at the movie house.
Yeah. So far, sometimes they will stay. They can get stay the more long term, long time. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
All right, that's good. Right, so hopefully, David, that the weather will be fine on the weekend, this coming weekend, so that you and your kids could, you and your family could have a
yeah,
great
yeah,
time watching the movie.
yeah. That's also is the experience. Experience the interaction. Yeah, if the when if the someday you have the children,
Uh huh.
you maybe will experience the same situation.
And hopefully, my kids will also like watching the movie, so that I don't have to go
Yeah.
in and out of the movie theater.
Yeah, so sometimes so that's why we say maybe you watch movie maybe just in home then that is okay. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Just watch
yeah,
it at home.
because you don't need to waste the money, right?
Yes, so that I won't have to pay for them as well, right? Just leave them at
Exactly.
home.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
All right, okay. Well, anyway, David, thank you very much for sharing about your plans on the weekend, and hopefully you get to enjoy them with your family, with the rest of your family.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. So anyway, David, I guess it's time for us to start with our lesson now. All
Hmm.
right. So are you ready to start with our lesson?
Yes.
Yes, all right, that's good. So for tonight, we are going to continue with the news article that we've had from last time, and the title is Chinese Math Teachers to Help United Kingdom Schools.
Yep.
All right, so can you still remember what this article is all about?
Can you remember? Oh, you mean that this article description for what?
Yes, this article. Can you still remember what is the article all about?
Yeah, this article is talking about in Britain side, the
Mm-hmm.
government think that their children maybe have the poorly the mathematic the ability.
Mm-hmm.
So because they doing the some survey for the international international the method testing, they
Mm-hmm.
found the Britain, the child is very poor versus the Chinese, the children. Even cannot compete with the cleaner of cannot compete the children of the cleaner. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so that's why the government they have the one policy.
Mm-hmm.
Even the policy need to spend more money.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 30 billion. Okay, in the year. Okay, yeah, so the government still think that is the valuable. Yeah, so I
Yes.
think that is article want to say that.
All right, that's great. That's good, David, that you can still remember exactly what is the article all about. Now, this time, let's try now to talk about more of this article. But first, let us try to study some words that were used in the article. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Uh huh.
I don't like to study the same word because the I think the uh pronounce still will be the
Uh huh.
very interesting issue. But we can try. Yeah.
Yes, we can try, all right? But actually you were we've already practiced saying most of the difficult words that was
Yes,
present in the article. So
yes.
there's no need for us to further go back and practice the words. For
Uh,
now, let us try to answer the first activity that we have below. All right.
okay.
So
Yeah.
the first
Thank,
activity.
thank you. You understand. Yeah, because actually, because actually, after all the lesson,
Uh huh.
I think almost the memory will be get lost. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in this time, you can see I just white paper. Okay. Yeah.
Uh
So
huh.
if we still focus on the phenomena for those the vocabulary, I think the um today's lesson will be the closing in that.
All
Okay.
right. Okay, no problem about that, David. All right. So anyway, let's proceed with our first activity, and that is true or false. All right. Can you see the page where I
Okay.
am at?
Yeah, I can watch
Yes.
that.
All right. Okay, that's good. So for this part, David, all you have to do is to decide whether all the statements in A to H are true or false. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Mm-hmm.
mhm.
Yes, David.
So you want to give in the few minutes to doing the plastic, right?
Yes. All
Okay,
right.
let me get started. Okay.
So I'll give you 2 minutes to do that. All you have to do, David, is just to mark it as true or false.
Okay, got
Okay?
it.
So I'll give you 2 minutes. Your 2 minutes starts now.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Now, this time, let's check if all your answers for each statement are true or false. Let's start with letter A. David, Shanghai students are the world's best at math.
Yeah, I think it's the true in this
Mm-hmm.
article. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. In this article, you think it's true. Very good. That's right. What about number two here? Number two, Britain is just behind China in international test score tables. True or false?
True.
Very good. It's true. All right. What about number three? Chinese children do better at maths than British doctors and lawyers.
in article, they is true.
In article, this is true. All right, very
Yeah, in
good.
article description, yes, it's true. Yeah.
Okay, good. Letter D. The UK wants to employ 600 math teachers from China.
I think it should be 60, not 600. Yeah.
All right, only 60. All right, great. What about the next one? Poor competence in maths costs the UK economy up to $30 billion a year.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Okay, very good. What about letter F here? Britain's education minister said Chinese math teachers were the best.
Yes. So the answer is true. Yeah.
Your answer here is true. What about letter G? The minister said Chinese students have a never say die attitude.
Uh, they not say never die.
All
He
right.
just say can do.
All
Okay.
right, very good. So never say die wasn't even stated in that part or in the article. And the last letter, David, good math qualifications greatly help employment opportunities.
I think it's true.
All
Yeah.
right, very good. Do you agree with this one, David? That good math qualifications help in employment opportunity?
I think that's depend on what kind of job you want to approach. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Not every one job can affordable or a property by this rule. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you're uh-huh.
Such as the if you are the president, you are Obama. Okay,
Uh-huh.
yeah. Actually, I don't think you need to remember the much more the number. Okay, you must need to get some brave. You maybe need to very clear the thinking, to know what kind of policy is the benefit for your country and your people.
Uh-huh.
The good math, maybe just uh, can let another minister then to follow yet.
Uh-huh. All right, that's good. Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's I think. Yeah.
but just a follow-up question, David.
Mhm.
In your job, do you have to be good at math in your like the job that you have right now?
Actually, yeah, sometimes yes, but sometimes no. Yeah. Because I think the main thing, main thing when you working the job, you
Uh-huh.
are not to just a calculator or the mathematic something, such as the your custom design or your custom profit or something. No, I think in my
Uh-huh.
country, in my company, I think the most the people they are just think about how to management hire them. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, such as they want to how to social the manager.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they want to I think they want to measurement the both the employee and the manager relationship.
Uh-huh.
I think the some of the employee they think that this kind action will more important than the business.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I mean the business is will more important than the employee and the customer their relationship.
Uh-huh. All right.
Yeah,
So
yeah, you know what I mean then?
yeah, I think I
Yeah.
get what you mean when you said it's for the management, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
On
I
the
think
management
if you want
side.
to get a promote, usually this kind of guy they will get a promote. Mm, will be more faster
Uh-huh.
than other people. Yeah.
Uh-huh. All
Yeah.
right. Nice. Thank you very much, David, for sharing something about that. And
Uh,
yes, I guess it also depends on the kind of job that you're looking for, right? Okay.
yeah.
So this time, David, I guess you were all now able to answer all of these statements here correctly. I guess it's time for us to learn some more words by answering the next activity that I have here. All right. So for the
Okay.
next activity, David, we have what we call a synonym match. Now, I want you to match the following words from numbers 1 to 10 with their same meanings from letters A to letter J.
H.
All
Oh,
right.
oh, no, okay. I have J. Okay.
All right, okay. So, David, I will give you 2 minutes to match these words. I'll have number 1 here as an example, okay? To improve, another meaning for improve is to,
Do better.
very good, is to do better,
Yeah.
okay? So I will place B here. Okay, now I want you to do the same thing for the next 9 numbers. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes for that one. You may
Okay.
start now.
Got it. Then the will be what is the job caution quality good income better equal literacy. Brilliant. C D E gift.
You still have letter E to match your answers to.
Good question. Ah, initiative of J. brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
Just rest of E. Okay. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Last we get the answer that.
Uh-huh. All right. Okay. So let's try to check now, David, if all your answers here or if you matched all the words correctly. Let's start with number 2. All right. So number 2, it's standard. What is another word for standard?
Standard, yes. My answer is quality.
Uh-huh. Standard is quality. Are you sure about that?
I think should be that.
All right.
Standard is yeah.
All right. Very good. What about number 3? Huge.
Huge, I guess is enormous.
Mm-hmm. That is enormous. Very good. Number 4, outperform.
Outperform, I guess will be better.
Okay. Better. Are you sure with better?
Yeah, better. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. Very good. Outperform is better there. What about number 5, initiative?
Initiative, I think should be in this one.
Uh-huh.
But I cannot say that.
All right.
I
Okay. For
cannot
this one, David,
pronounce,
you are
yeah.
actually correct, but for the pronunciation, it's skim.
Skin. Oh, skin. Yeah,
Yes.
skin.
Skim. All right.
Skin. Yeah, skin. Okay.
All right, great. What about number 6? Lagged.
Lad, I think it should be the tiered.
All right, very good. Trailed. What about
Trail.
7?
Trail.
Warned. What is warned?
One should be caution.
All right, very good.
Caution.
Caution.
Yeah.
Number 8, brilliant.
Brilliant. Yes, we can jump in the brilliant and we can go faster. We can rest up to watch this topic. Okay, and let's we check the 9 and 10 first.
All
Yeah.
right. Number 9, matched.
Match, I guess, will be equal.
Very good. And the last one, earnings.
Earning should be the income.
All right, very good. And brilliant now, do you think brilliant is the right answer?
Rest of just the gift. Yeah.
All right, very good. Brilliant is another word for the
The
gifted.
one question is the
Mm-hmm.
one question is the brilliant
Mm-hmm.
is talking about that such as the very wonderful and very good the result.
Yes, that
But
could be.
but gift is seem like the just something small, the smaller one, and when you just social. When you're in the social area, sometimes we will you will give the small object. Yeah, we call the gift, right?
Ah, it's different, David, because gift and gifted is different.
Oh, gift and the plus ed is different.
Yeah, it's different. When you say, let me type it here. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's see if I can type it somewhere below, David. I'm going to type something below.
Yes.
All right, here. When we say gift, it means the object, right? Gift.
Yes. Yeah. It's we're discussing about the subject. Yeah.
All right. Gift, it means object. Sometimes it also means like something that is given. All right. However, when it is already, I am sorry. Oh, who was that? Oh, all right. Here. However, when it is being said as gifted, if there is an added ed at the end, gifted means that you are
Juniors.
smart or genius.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, I think the in this world, I checked the wrong. That's the wrong dictionary. Yeah. Okay.
All right, okay, but anyway, that's still okay because you still got the right answer for brilliant.
Yep.
Brilliant, David, is another term for saying, "Oh, you're very smart," or something
Brilliant.
like that. Someone, for example, if your, let's say, your son's teacher, the teacher of your son will say that, "Oh, David, your son is very brilliant. He always
Mm,
answers in class. He always gets a good grade during the exam. So your son is a very brilliant kid." So that means you are talking, the teacher was talking about how smart your kid is.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then another word that mean the teacher is say your son maybe is the genius. Yeah, that's
Yes.
very appreciate the wording, right?
Yes, that's right. So that's why brilliant and gifted here are the same because they are talking about someone who is a genius
Mm,
or someone who is smart.
okay. So gift plus ed. How to pronounce?
All right. This one, gift plus ed, is already pronounced. Oh, I'm sorry. Please wait. This one is already pronounced as gifted.
Gifted.
Yes, just that.
Oh, gifted. Gift. Gifted.
Mm-hmm.
Brilliant. Genius.
Mm-hmm.
Smart. Okay,
All right. Very
I
good.
got it. Thank
Okay.
you.
So, any other question, David, before we continue?
No, you are the brilliant. Yeah.
You're brilliant as well. All right. Thank you, David. Let's have the next activity here. So, for the next activity, you are going to have a phrase match. Now, in this part, all you have to do is match all the phrases from 1 to 10 with their correct matches from letters A to J.
Fast
Okay.
match.
So, also, David, remember that sometimes even more than one choice is possible. So, that means you can choose to use the letters or to match the letters twice or more than once.
Okay.
Okay.
So, could you get the example for that?
All right. Okay. No problem. For example, improve the. Right. So, if I'm going to look at this one, the improve the potential.
Improve the potential. Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Improve the potential. Yes, right.
Yes. All right. So that's why I will use potential for this one because it matches the phrase and it makes the phrase sounds correct. That's why I will use improves the potential. Okay?
Okay, let me try the rest of question. Okay.
All right. So I'll give you 2 minutes for that one. You may start now.
Mhm. Cool. Multiple rows. Is a part of the meaning. Effect. Effect. Upgrades. Okay. Outperform those. Effect. Coding. Yes, me. Coding. Coding. Sometimes we must to have the some imagination to get the answer.
But it's okay. You can choose more. You can use more than once all of these choices here.
Yeah, but sometimes you will find every answer is soon not match. This is a huge difference. Far behind. Right. Effect. Poor. Oh, poor. Outperformers. Huge difference. So maybe each of question they can match different answer.
Yes. All right. Are you finished with your answers?
Not yet.
Not
Give
yet.
me the 20 seconds.
Okay.
Effect. Effect. Okay,
Alright.
I guess I'm done.
All right. Okay. Let's try to check your answers, David. Let's start with number 2.
According my answer is the funding mission.
Okay. So if I'm going to continue this one, according finding mission, It may not sound right, David. So F here would is not the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. The only
So,
word.
okay, go ahead.
The only word that you could match in this phrase for this word is to a global testing agency. According to a global testing agency.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
What about number 3 here? There is a huge difference.
To a global testing agency?
Are you sure?
I'm not sure. Yeah. Maybe you can skip this one. Okay. Yeah.
Alright. But we can answer this one, David. If we try to use letter E here, the grammar won't sound correct. So instead for this one, there is a huge difference. You can answer with letter A. There is a huge difference in
Oh, difference in never
numeracy
labors. Yeah.
levels.
I think also A could be the answer too. Yeah.
Yes, the A should be the answer actually.
Okay.
Alright.
Should be.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's have number 4. Outperform those.
Those. My answer is the standard of math.
Okay, outperform those standard of math. We could actually use that one, David. I will accept that one because grammatically it sounds correct. Or you can also use letter J. Outperform those of UK doctors.
Yeah. So
Alright.
actually, I have modified once for this question. Yeah.
Yes, but that's okay. That's still right. Number 5. It is part of a new.
New. I guess there is initiative.
Very good. It is part of a new initiative. Number 6. Britain lagged.
Britain lack. I guess it's the standard of math.
All right. Very good. The standard of math. Number 7. Poor.
Poor in numbers levels. Yeah.
All right. Letter A. That is poor in numeracy levels. Very good. Number 8.
In
A fact.
numeracy labor. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. In numeracy labor. Yes.
Okay. Number 8. A fact.
A fact. Don't ask me this. This one I'm fully guessed. Yeah.
All right. Well, a fact far behind. That's already correct. Or you could also use a fact. A fact finding mission.
Find
Fact
okay.
finding
mission.
mission. All right. So that
Okay.
is that would probably be the best answer for that. But I'll also accept letter I. Number
Okay.
9, David strengthened my.
Strengthen my uh new
Numeracy.
vision. Yeah.
Now for this one, David, the answer
Numeracy, yeah.
here, the answer here should be strengthened my belief.
Really strengthens my belief.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
It made my belief stronger. So
Okay.
that's what you mean
Yeah.
by strengthened my belief. And the last one now, the greatest earnings.
No doubt is U.S. doctor.
All right, UK doctors.
UK doctor. Yeah.
All right, very good. Great job, David. So I guess just more practice with these activities here. But so far, so good. You've answered most of my questions or